Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Turkey Bay to 8 miles southwest of Wrangler's Campground to 8 miles southeast of Murray, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sand Hill, Dresden, Jones Mill, Latham, Cottage Grove, Ruthville, Crossland, Sharon, Como, Ralston, Brundig, Pisgah, Whitlock, Porter Court, Conyersville, Roughton, Henry, Matheny Grove, or Springs, and Sedonia. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Tennessee: Henry and Weakley,